Last Friday, we went to the House of Basque Language, that's located in Bilbao. First, we watched a video about a mythology legend that explained the origin of Basque language. Then, we went to a room that looked like a subway station. There were many screens that contained information about Basque and some digital games. Our guide explained us a lot of interesting things about the Basque language. For example, he mentioned us the types of Basque, and then we played a digital game to see the differences between them. We also learned that some numbers were named combining the words of other numbers, such as 80, laurogei in Basque. We ended our school trip participating on a digital comic competition. We also learned about the risks of sharing photos or videos through internet. We had a great time at the school trip. Apart from having fun, we also learned new and useful things.